Running a small business is exhilarating, but it comes with its own set of challenges, especially when it comes to finding the right bank. Traditional banks often feel like they're stuck in the past with long lines, hidden fees, and an approach that really doesn't cater to the needs of modern entrepreneurs. And that's where Novo steps in, branding itself as a digital banking platform built specifically for small businesses and freelancers. But does it live up to the hype? Well, my friend, let's dive into everything Novo has to offer and see if it's really what you need. But just a quick heads up before we actually dive in, if at any point throughout the video or afterwards you want to try out Novo, then head to the link in the description to get the best deal available, so consider that if you want. Now, what makes Novo unique is how much it gets small businesses. Instead of just holding your money, it integrates with tools like QuickBooks, Stripe, Shopify, and even Slack to make managing your business finances a lot smoother. Novo's most talked about feature is its fee-free banking. Seriously, no monthly fees, no minimum balances, and no overdraft charges. For small businesses trying to maximize every dollar, this approach can be a lifesaver. It's refreshing to see a bank where you know exactly what you're getting, no gotcha fees lurking in the background. Another standout is Novo's integrations with popular business platforms. Whether you're processing payments through Stripe, managing invoices with QuickBooks, or running an online store on Shopify, Novo connects seamlessly with these tools. This kind of integration saves time and reduces the hassle of juggling multiple systems. Novo also has a mobile app that's a dream for entrepreneurs on the go. Everything from depositing checks to transferring funds can all be done with a few taps. Plus, the app gives real-time notifications about activity on your account, so you're always in the loop. One feature that doesn't get enough attention though is reserves. It lets you create sub-accounts within your main account for things like taxes or saving for a big project. And for those who travel or need cash occasionally, Novo also has you covered. While it doesn't have its own ATMs, it refunds all ATM fees worldwide, which means you can withdraw money wherever you are without worrying about extra charges. And here's the part you've probably been waiting for, which is the cost. On that front, Novo keeps things pretty simple. There are no maintenance fees, no charges for incoming wires, and no minimum balance requirements. The only notable fee is $27 for outgoing wires, which isn't great, but it is manageable if you don't send them often. And I mean, compared to traditional banks, which love to charge you for just existing, it seems, Novo's pricing is really straightforward, which is refreshing as well. Many big banks charge monthly fees, tack on penalties for low balances, and hit you with overdraft fees, and Novo just skips all that jazz. So it goes without saying that Novo has a lot going for it, especially if you're looking for a banking platform that's simple and straightforward. Setting up an account is fast, and the app is so intuitive, you'll feel right at home from the start. Of course, though, no platform is flawless, and Novo is no exception. The biggest limitation is that it doesn't handle cash deposits, which might be a challenge for businesses that rely on cash transactions. That said, there are workarounds like using MoneyPack to make it work. That said, these drawbacks are far outweighed by Novo's strengths for many business owners. Its fee structure, modern features, and seamless integrations make it a fantastic choice for businesses that value convenience and cost efficiency. If you're primarily operating digitally, Novo is likely to cover everything you need with very few compromises. Moreover, Novo also has a business credit card, and it's a solid addition for entrepreneurs looking to get more out of their spending. And the standout feature is that you earn 2% cash back on eligible purchases. That's cash back in your pocket for the expenses you're already making. Even better, the card comes with no fees, no annual fees, no hidden charges, just straightforward benefits. And managing the card is effortless. It's fully integrated into Novo's platform, so you can track expenses, check balances, and redeem rewards directly through the Novo app or web dashboard. Now, bookkeeping and invoicing are two of those things that can feel like necessary evils when running a business. Important, but tedious. Novo, though, takes a lot of the headache out of that process. For bookkeeping, Novo automatically categorizes your transactions, which means you're not stuck manually logging every expense and payment. Instead, you get a clear, organized view of where your money is going, helping you make smarter decisions without digging through receipts or spreadsheets. Invoicing with Novo is just as straightforward. You can create and send invoices directly from your account, so you're not juggling multiple apps or platforms to get paid. Novo even lets you track your invoices, showing you when they've been paid or if it's time to send a polite nudge. It's a small touch, but one that makes a big difference in cutting down the stress of chasing payments. So, with all that being said, is Novo the right choice for you? Well, Novo works best for small business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who are comfortable with a digital-first experience. If you value simplicity, hate fees, and need a platform that integrates with the tools that you already use, Novo could be a perfect fit. That said, it's not for everyone. If you handle a lot of cash or prefer in-person customer service, Novo might leave you wanting more. And while the $27 outgoing wire fee isn't ideal, it's not a deal breaker unless you send wires frequently. So Novo isn't trying to be everything for everyone, and that's a good thing. It knows its audience and delivers a banking experience tailored to small businesses. And that just about wraps up today's video, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing. And again, don't forget about the deal that we have for Novo in the description below, so take advantage of that if you're interested. But at any rate, thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, make sure to take care.